Hello everyone, my name is Alexandra and welcome to Creative 404. In today's video, we're going to create some socks and tights for our Blythe doll. This pattern is absolutely free and you can find it in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a like for it. Just to let you know, I now have a Facebook group and a Instagram and Discord. You can find both of those in the description box below. Now that we've got that settled, let's get started on this video. In this video, we are going to make some tights and some high socks, as well as some regular socks. You can find the pattern in the description box below. All you need to do is print it up, make sure it is to scale by using the bottom right indicator. So I'm going to speed it up real quick. What I'm doing is outlining my pattern onto my fabric. This is the wrong side of the fabric, and I'm using some water-soluble disappearing ink. Make sure to flip the pattern for your tights so that you get a mirror image. Alright, after you're done, you're going to cut out your tight pieces, your high socks, and your regular socks. I'm going to start with the tights. With the right side, you're going to put them together. Now here, I'm indicating the wrong side. You're going to start with the short side, which is the front of the fabric. Not the back, which is right here. You're going to do the front. So I've already done the front, and then I've done the top hem. Now I'm going to do the back. So you're going to sew along the back. I'll be right back. Alright. Pretend this is the back. I've done this wrong. Now we're going to do the inseam. So we're going to go and align the middle, the front and the back together. And then we're going to sew from one foot to the other, all the way across the inseam. So here you go. We are going to sew from this side all the way down and around and down. And here it is all done. I've turned it in right sides out, and I've put it on a doll for reference. It is a little bit hard to get the band, the top band, off around the hips, but you'll be able to do it. It fits perfect, just a little tight. I like mine to be very form-fitting. All right. For the socks, both the high socks and the regular socks, you're going to follow these same steps. These are actually very easy to do. You're going to take it from the right side and turn it to the wrong side. Then you're going to fold that piece in, just like so. Again, we're going to take the wrong side and fold the piece in. Then you just sew, and here I've ironed it. So this is the right side, this is the wrong side, this is the right side, and this is the wrong side. You're going to follow these steps for the high socks and the regular socks. Alright, now we're going to fold this in half. Now if you're wondering why the socks look different than the tights actually are sewn for the inseam. The socks are actually sewn for the back, so that's why you get the heel. So go ahead and sew the socks together, and now I'm just trimming the little edges so that they just look nicer. Also for the toe, it can get kind of chunky with all the fabric. So just giving it a little bit of a clip to get rid of some of that bulk really does help. So here are the regular socks on the doll. So you don't have to do a top hem for a top seam for it. You really want it to be loose so that it goes over the leg real nicely. And here are the high socks. These are actually knee-high socks. I really want some that come to the thigh, and I think I'll make one of those later on. So that was the tutorial. I hope you're able to follow along easy enough. It is a beginner-friendly tutorial, so if you have any troubles, just keep trying. You'll definitely get it with some practice. If you do have some troubles, you can add a comment and I will look at it and help you as much as possible. Or you can go and follow me on Discord where you can get some more personalized help. And you can also show me pictures of what you're doing, so I can help you as much as possible. This isn't a very long tutorial, so I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye now.